In today's class, we will start the symbol and characteristic of the power devices. The first one is the PN junction diode. The PN junction diode has two symbols, anode and cathode. So, and its characteristic, forward bias characteristic and reverse bias characteristic. Second one is the thyristor. The SCR belongs to thyristor family. Its symbol has the three terminals, anode, cathode and gate. Okay, and SCR has the four layers. Okay, hence there are 3 PN junction diode. Inside the 3 PN junction, inside the SCR, the anode is made positive with respect to cathode. This is called forward bias on SCR. A small positive voltage is applied between the gate and cathode to turn on the SCR. When SCR is turned on, its internal drop becomes negligible. The current flows from anode to cathode in the SCR. Once the SCR is turned on, the gate has no control over the construction of SCR. Even if the gate is removed, SCR does not turn off. The SCR turns off whenever the current falls to 0. Okay, figure shows the current and voltage characteristic of a SCR. Okay, third one, SITH, that is the static induction thyristor. SITH can also be turned off by applying negative gate drive. Thus, gate has full control over the conduction of SITH. They do not require any external circuit. So, figure shows the symbol, okay, anode, cathode and gate, okay, and the characteristic of SCR is as shown in the figure. They are used in medium power converters. So, next one, that is the JTO. So, it is similar to SCR but can be turned off by gate terminal. Thus, gate has full control over the conduction of the thyristor. JTO do not require any external circuit. Okay, figure shows the symbol and characteristic of a JTO. JTOs are used for low power applications. The gate drive required for turn off is very large. Hence, drive circuit of JTOs requires more power. Okay. Next one, MOS. MOS is the metal oxide semiconductor control thyristor. The MCT or a MOS control thyristor can be turned on by negative gate voltage to the gate. That means you have to apply the negative voltage to the gate, and it can be turned off by positive voltage. MCTs have lower power rating than GTO and SITS. Figure shows the symbol of MCT and its VI characteristics are similar to those of JTO and SITH. Okay. Next one, that is the LASCR, that is the light activated SCR. The LASCR can be turned on by light signal. The gate is photosensitive and SCR turns on when the light falls on it. Figure shows the symbol and characteristic of a LASCR. It is just like the other SCRs. LASCRs provides the isolation between the gate and drive circuit. Namely, LASCRs are used for HVDCs in transmission, high voltage direct current transmissions. Okay, so they are using in the LASCR. Okay, and their symbol and the VI characteristic of LASCR is shown in the figure. Next one, NPN BJT. Okay, so that is the bipolar junction. It has the 3 terminals. Okay, base, emitter and collector. Okay, So the input current controls the output current. Output current is the collector current. Okay, this is the NPN BJT, NPN transistor. Usually transistor is a current control device and its characteristic, output characteristic will be the shown in the figure. That next one is that is the IGBT, insulated gate bipolar junction transistor. So the IGBT is that is the similar to the control part of the IGBT is similar to the MOSFET and output part is similar to BJT. Hence IGBT has high power levels and high operating frequency. They are available up to the 1.5 kV and 400 amperes. IGBTs can operate up to the 20 kHz, frequency up to the 20 kHz. The on state losses are less than 3 volt. Figure shows the symbol and characteristic of IGBT. They are turn on and turn off with the help of voltage on a gate. Hence, their gate drive circuit is most simple. IGBTs are used in PWM, inverters and SMPS. That is the switched mode power supplies. Okay. So next one, that is the N channel MOSFET. But MOSFET, the abbreviation for the MOSFET will be the metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. The MOSFET has two types, N channel and P channel MOSFET. Okay, and MOSFET, the gate drive circuit of MOSFET is similar than BJT. MOSFET can operate up to the 100 kHz. They have low power rating. Okay, MOSFET have high on state drop. Okay, figure shows the symbol and characteristic of the power MOSFET, that is the N channel MOSFET. Okay, the MOSFET has N channel MOSFET has the three terminals, that is the source, gate and drain. Okay, so the symbol has the three terminals. Okay, and there are and the characteristic of power MOSFET will be the shown in the figure. Okay, it has the this is the figure show the VI characteristic of a N channel MOSFET. Next one, SIT, that is the static induction thyristor. The SIT is similar to the J. Next one is the SIT, static induction thyristor. The SIT is similar to the JFET. It has low power levels up to the 1 kV and 300 ampere and its operating frequency up to the 100 kHz. Hence, SIT is suitable for high power and high frequencies applications. Figure shows the symbol and characteristic of SIT. It has low noise, low distortion and high audio frequency capability. Figure shows the symbol and VI characteristic of a SIT. So one more will be there, that is the triac. Triac can be considered as anti-parallel SCR. Okay, triac conducts in both the directions and it has single gate. Okay, so and triacs are used for heat control, light control, motor control and similar applications which use the AC supply unit. Triacs are turned off by line commutation of the AC supply. They are not suitable for high inductive loads. Okay. ಐದು ನಿಮಿಷ 6 7 ಆಯಿತು. 8 9 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ಆಗಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. 8 9 10 ನಿಮಿಷ. 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ಆಗ್ತಾ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ control characteristic of operating control characteristics. The figure positive voltage is applied through load source anode cathode of the